In my next two videos, I'm going to be talking about the most asked questions I've received ever since I started YouTube. And one of the questions is, what face soap do I use? If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up before you continue watching this video. So I want to leave a disclaimer before I continue this video. I'm not a dermatologist. I didn't study anything pertaining to the skin. So all the things and products I share on my channel, make sure you do your research and test them that they are good for your skin before you continue to use it over time. So like I said earlier, what face soap do I use? The first face soap I'm using at the moment, I have various kind of face soap I'm using at the moment, and the reason is because, as you all know, I make organic face soap on this channel. I've made about, I think, up to 5 different kind of face soap on this channel, so you should look through my previous videos and watch those videos. So I have different kind of face soap I use, so I'm just here to make a review on those face soap and all that, because I use those face soap too. Number one face soap is tea tree foaming face soap. I didn't make this, I bought them at the store, but it is very good for my skin. If you're an old member, you will know that the very first video I made on this channel, I used this face soap. Yes, I still use it. I don't run out of this face soap. As it is, I have another one that I just bought. So it is very good for my skin. Recently, I saw a Facebook review on this face soap, and some people said it is good for them, and some people said they don't like it because it makes their skin to go dark. Well, if that is what they feel, if that is their belief, they should buy the one that suits their skin. But I want you to know that the cause of your face getting dark is not the face soap you use. You should also put into consideration other things when you talk about darkening of the face. But as for me, this tea tree foaming face wash is very good for my skin. Then another face soap I use on my face is this African black soap. If you scroll down my videos, you will see how I made this black soap. At the moment, I'm also using this soap. I love it, but you should take note that black soap tends to make your skin, it tends to be harsh on your skin. So in this particular black soap, I added some ingredients in it that suits my skin. Ingredients such as honey, turmeric, coconut oil, I think, and some other things that makes it suit my skin very well. And make sure that after you use this black soap, you should moisturize your skin deeply. I also have another face soap that I use, but that particular one is finished. It's a lemon face wash. I also have the videos among my previous videos, so you should go and watch that face. You should go and watch how I made that face soap. The face soap is also very good. I made 3 on that particular day. I used one and I gave my neighbor one, but she came back afterwards that she loves the soap, that I should give her another one if I had it, and I gave her one of the last soap. So that lemon face wash is also very good for my skin. Then another face soap I'm using at the moment is this turmeric face soap. I know it doesn't look like turmeric, and the reason is because of the soap base I use in making this particular soap. If you use the whitish soap base, you have a beautiful turmeric color as your soap. But this particular one is looking brownish or blackish. It's looking brownish, but it's also very good for the skin. It has turmeric, it has honey, it has different kind of organic product that is good for the skin. As I promised earlier, that I'm going to share 2 tips that will help your skin look good. Number 1 tip is stay hydrated always. Make sure you take lots of water. Make sure you take lots of water daily, and also make sure you eat balanced diet. Make sure the food that you're eating are not all junks, they are not all unhealthy food. Make sure you stay hydrated and take a lot of healthy food. It will go a long way in helping your skin to look good at all times. There's no way you rely on soaps alone to have a healthy looking skin. Eating of good food, of balanced diet will make your skin to look healthy at all times. So we've come to the end of this video. Watch out for my next video. I'm going to be sharing tips on how to clear off your dark spots. It is also one of the most asked questions I've received over time on this channel. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.